So, I've got a bird trapped. And Olive wants it. You want that bird, don't you? Yeah, you do. But we're not going to let you have that bird. Aw, poor bird.
Let me free the bird.
Okay. Let the bird out.
I'm going to give it the finger. I mean...
Are you sure you're not going to be letting it out inside?
I'm going to open it from outside.
Good,
just in case.
good idea.
Oh, it's going to dive for it.
Oh no, the thing's going to go... Oh, she's... Because the thing would automatically come inside. And then all heck would break loose. Sorry, Olive. I know that's the most excitement you've had in the past 2 years, but we couldn't let you have that bird. I'm sorry.